This is silly. He is guilty, of course.
Okay, then let's vote it. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is always someone.
just let's stop.
I don't know. I just think he is guilty.
You can't reverse the facts. It's a very special knife. Whoa! Where did you get it? Bullshit. Let's say our final voting. Then I will give up. Not guilty. What's wrong with you? He's obviously guilty. I will kill you doesn't always mean I will kill you. If someone says it, he wins it. I told someone that I will kill him. Maybe he's guilty. I wrote not guilty. He ran to the front door. No, he can't run. He's still through our fingers. What a sadist. I'm gonna kill you. You don't mean to kill me, right? Now it's 6 to 6. It's going to rain. Oh, really? I don't remember. Not like this. Like this. Oh, then I say he's not guilty. What kind of a person are you? Let's vote it again. Yeah, totally not. What about the women? Aren't those because of your eyeglass?
Not guilty.
It was him. Doesn't matter. The kids. They're always the same. Not guilty.